Hello, today I will show you how to make sure a user is able to see his or her own profile after logging in using the SmartV portal. So first, you have to go to the user access. And after you have set up your SmartV, we are going to make sure we go to profile. And we must make sure we include a profile page. This is where you will specify the fields that you want the user to see after logged in. So here I had add last name, first name, title, and email. You click next and you make sure you generate that SmartV login. Now let's preview. I would log in. And I will see that in the top right corner, I have the option to see my profile. Here, I can also make changes to it. And that's how you enable your user to see his or her own profile.